Hello friends and watch lover, this is Praveen from Watchopedia. Welcome again and so excited to be back for a review of another watch. So today we will do an unboxing for another Swiss watch named Tissot MotoGP. Tissot has been a proud sponsor for MotoGP, which is a motorcycle race series. There are multiple watches in this series with the different dial configurations and with the different specifications. I own 3 watches in this series. So after this I'll provide the unboxing video for another 2 watches also. So we will explore the watch specifications. I'll do a full review, and end of the video I'll provide some interesting facts about Tissot. So stay tuned till end of the video so you don't lose anything. So before unboxing of the video, if you are first time visiting the channel, subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss any forthcoming video, as I will be having a lot of content in near future. This watch comes in black color rectangular box with very distinguishing patterning on the box. So this box opens from one side. Inside the outer carton there is a small helmet box containing the watch, and under that there is watch manual, warranty card, etc. Manual is as usual nothing special and covering multiple languages and watch operating instructions. So this is a warranty card indicating the date of purchase, dealer stamp, etc. In my region it comes with an international warranty of 2 years, and it may differ from other parts of the world. So let's look into the helmet. So it's simply awesome, eye-catchy, with Tissot logo printed on front of the helmet, whereas MotoGP and special edition is printed on top as well as on the sides of this helmet. We can open it either from the visor or from the side. So inside is this gorgeous watch, and the logo of Tissot and MotoGP is printed at inside of the helmet. So it's a plastic from inside, and watch cushion is made from a nice imitation leather with a very good padding. Let's look into the watch. So model number is T115427370510 as indicated on the tag. So this is an XL size watch, sporty look in the PVD rose gold and black plating. Absolutely brilliant finish for this watch from different viewing angles. So let's check the watch specifications. So diameter is at 45 mm excluding the crown, and if you're including the crown, it reaches to 48 mm. Thickness is at 16.6 mm, which is on bulky side but still acceptable as a sporty watch. Lug width is at 22 mm. Lug to lug distance is at 48.8 mm. But due to unique design of lugs, so this watch sits comfortably on the wrist. Watch face looks amazing and is a highlight for this watch. Dial is with 3 different counter dial variations on the main dial. So 30-minute counter is at 12 o'clock position. 6-hour counter is at 6 o'clock position. Both are silver in color, surrounded by the rose gold bezel. Second dial, which is black in color, is at 9 o'clock position. Date complication is at 3 o'clock position, and central 60-second chronograph hand. It's a very tasteful black dial featuring the counters and bigger indexes. Hour indexes are baton type, and hour and minute hands are in the sword shape, whereas second hand is having a typical T at the end if you look closely. So these all are in the rose gold tone type. Lume is acceptable for the watch and applied for hour indexes as well as on the hour and minute hands. So case is all in the stainless steel 316 with rose gold PVD coating in matte finish. So between top and bottom end plates of rose gold there is a center black PVD coating on the case, providing a modern look and nice contrast to the watch case. Bezel has a shape of a brick disc and seems to hold the magnifying glass for the date window. The 2 big pushers are shaped like the bike footrests, and the rear suspension is illustrated in the bracelets attachment to the case. Crown is having nice notches for better grip, and T letter is engraved on the crown. Is push pull type, hence very easy to pull the crown for time, date adjustments or for winding of the watch. Crystal is scratch resistant sapphire glass with anti-reflective coating. So there is a magnifying glass for the day window also. Case back is exhibition type, showing the Swiss movement with Tissot name engraved on the rota. The back case is transparent and looks like a rim of a motorbike, while the surface of the oscillating weight looks like tire threads. So there are other details mentioned as a watch serial number, model number, Swiss made declaration, etc. So then comes the strap. So strap is also very unique. So that's a rubber from inside, whereas crocodile or alligator pattern embossed imitation leather from the outer side. So by this you will get a comfort or durability and functionality of rubber from inside, and in parallel to that get a premium look for leather strap from outside. Strap is at 22 mm, and due to unique lug structure, I presume only factory made straps can be exchanged or replaced for this watch. Strap buckle is a basic stainless steel with solid rose gold coating on both sides. Outside brand name of Tissot is engraved, and on inner side stainless steel and part number is engraved. Overall a well secured buckle to hold the watch. Overall weight for the watch is 153 gram, which is still on a higher side. So let's discuss about the movement. This watch is having an ETA automatic movement with chronograph complication based upon the Lemania 5100 movement. So this is a fairly new movement with ETA, and it differs from Rolex 7750 in various aspects. The biggest being the hourly chronograph. For this it is registered just for 6 hours, whereas for Rolex 7750 it is up to 12 hours. So this movement name is ETA C01-211. It's a 15 jewel movement with frequency of 21,600 beats or vibrations per hour with a power reserve of approximately 45 hours. Then comes the wrist shot on my 7.5 inch wrist. It fits very nicely, and as I mentioned above, it appears slightly bigger due to high lug to lug distance. But if your wrist size is smaller than 7 inches, then it could appear to be oversized for you. So that's fairly sums up the review for this watch, and as promised, below are some of the positive points and opportunities for this watch. So let's dig into the positives. So it's a timeless, sporty, legible and distinctive looking watch in a great packing. It's a functional watch with 6 hours chronograph and option with an options of tachymeter tracking also. It's a special edition watch with just 3,333 pieces in the world at a very compelling price in range of $1,200 to $1,400 depending upon the country of your location. So couple of opportunities. So first of all, the size is 45 mm for the watch, which is big, bulky and maybe a deterrent to the people with a smaller wrist size. Second is about the movement. Movement is pretty new. It is exclusive just to Tissot, so servicing from outside or from third-party dealers may be an issue due to availability of spare parts. This is a very bold looking sporty watch. I'm very happy with the watch. So if you have different views, please share your comments below. So as promised in the beginning, so these are the 3 interesting facts about Tissot. So Tissot's first watch was introduced in 1853. At that time the brand was popular for making the first pocket watch as well as the first pocket watch with the 2 time zones also. So second fact, Tissot has been named as the official timekeeper and partner of many global events like UCI World Cycling Championship and motorsports with MotoGP. The third interesting fact, Tissot is the leader in the Swiss watch industry, exporting more than 4 million watches every year across the world. I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you did, please like, share with your friends, with your peers, and leave your comments below about this watch. Finally, as requested earlier, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time. Bye for now. Stay safe and stay tuned for the forthcoming videos.